Low carb, high fat, or protein overload? Which one is the best? With so many diet trends out there, it's easy to feel confused and caught up in all the claims about their benefits and drawbacks. Here's the truth. Your body doesn't need extremes. It needs balance. Let's talk about the balanced diet and the actual grams of carbs, protein, and fats your body needs daily. So, what does a balanced diet really mean? It means fueling your body with the right amount of each macronutrient, based on your weight and lifestyle. Here's a general daily guide for a healthy adult. Carbohydrates, around 4 to 6 grams per kilogram of body weight. Protein, about 1 to 1.6 grams per kilogram. Fat, typically 0.8 to 1 gram per kilogram. Example, if you weigh 70 kilograms, you'd need around 280 to 420 grams of carbs, 70 to 110 grams of protein, and 56 to 70 grams of fat per day. Of course, this can shift depending on your activity level, fitness goals, or medical needs. But this is a great place to start. Let's break it down even further. Carbs are your primary energy source, especially for your brain and muscles. Go for whole carbs: oats, brown rice, lentils, fruits, and vegetables. Protein helps build and repair tissues. You'll find it in eggs, chicken, beans, fish, tofu, and dairy. Fats are essential for hormones, brain health, and keeping you full. Don't fear fats, just choose the healthy ones: nuts, seeds, avocados, and olive oil. The best meal timing for health and insulin control. When you eat matters almost as much as what you eat, especially for your blood sugar and insulin levels. Here's the ideal structure. 1. Eat within a 10 to 12-hour window. This gives your body time to rest and repair overnight. For example, start breakfast at 8 a.m., finish dinner by 6 to 8 p.m. 2. Never skip breakfast, but make it balanced. A mix of protein, healthy fats, and complex carbs keeps insulin steady and curbs cravings later in the day. Example, eggs, whole grain toast, and berries. 3. Keep meals consistent, every 4 to 5 hours. This helps avoid spikes and crashes. Aim for 3 balanced meals and 1 small snack if needed. 4. Eat your largest meals earlier in the day. Your insulin sensitivity is higher in the morning and early afternoon, meaning your body handles carbs better. 5. Avoid late-night eating. After 8 p.m., insulin sensitivity drops. Eating late can lead to higher blood sugar overnight and disrupted sleep. So why does balance work better than extremes? Because it's sustainable. You won't be starving, you won't be cranky, you'll have energy, clarity, and a real relationship with food. You're not counting every bite. You're building meals that nourish you. Now, a few common mistakes to avoid. 1. Cutting carbs too low, you'll crash, your workouts suffer, your mood dips. 2. Skipping fats. Healthy fats help absorb vitamins and keep hunger in check. 3. Following someone else's plan. Your needs, your weight, your goals, your life. Your diet should simply be nothing fancy, just real, whole food in the right portions. Forget the perfect diet. Go for consistent, balanced meals based on your body's needs. Understand your macros. Build meals with intention, and give yourself permission to enjoy food again. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you want help calculating your macros, drop your weight and goal. Stay informed. Stay healthy.